I have always loved being outside and spent most of my childhood out there. So my parents knew from, I think they said like the age of 3, that I was going to be in the sciences. Environmental sciences is so broad that you can learn pretty much anything you want to. So I'm taking a climatology class, but at the same time, I've taken ecology and all of this other water-based stuff. So it's like you can choose what you like. So my absolute favorite so far was ecology, because that one you were literally learning about connections with everything. So I got a little bit of like learning about the environment, a little bit about animals, and the labs were so much fun. We got to go out and look for salamanders on campus, and my group actually found 20 of them where we had to measure them and mark their location. It was so much fun. For environmental science capstone, you help a grad student with their research because they provide opportunities for you to be able to be on a published academic paper. Mine, we were researching spiders, but we had to go out to the Kaufman Arboretum, catch the spiders, bring them back, and then we were studying their behavior. You get to make some really close friends in that class because it's so much smaller, and you guys work together to figure it out so that you can actually do your own research and it's not as scary because you know what you're doing then. So for environmental systems, you get to do a lot of fun labs, like where you get to put on waders and go out to the creek. And we would measure like the velocity. So they're collecting samples and watching dye move through it to see how the water is moving through it and disperses. We were out there collecting groundwater to not only like test what was in it, but also learning how it flows underground so you can see how a contaminant could spread from its source. The professors here are absolutely amazing. I love all of them because they are researching themselves, so then they can share their passions with you. So I pretty much was raised by the outdoors with how much time I spent out there, and I want to be able to save all of that so that my kids and everyone else can see it.